In this video, I am going to do some major cleaning on my oven. If you're interested in seeing that, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. And if so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Then click that bell and then click all, and you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today, I'm doing a cleaning of the kitchen. So I am going to deep clean my oven. So I'm going to show you the items that I will be using. Okay, this is what I'll be using. I'll be using this brush that I picked up at the Dollar Tree that they have, I can't think the other brand that does these. I'm using this. I'm going to use Brillo pads, and I'm going to use some Easy Off Oven Cleaner. So, give you a look of the oven before. See if I can get the light on a little brighter. It really needs it. So, and then the window is dirty more inside than out. But I've figured out a way to clean it. So that's what I will be doing. So when I get started, I will take you along as I deep clean this oven. Now I want to give you an inside view of the oven. I'm really proud of how it turned out. A lot of muscle to get some of this stuff up. I waited too long to clean it. I should have cleaned it long before now. I let it go a bit too far, but the Easy Off Oven spray, sprayed it in there, and it says to let it sit for 5 minutes. I let it sit for maybe 10 on there before I went in there because I want to make sure it did its job. But with the scrub brush and the Brillo pad, and then the scrub pad from Grove Collaborative to help get off a lot of hard areas, it came out really clean. I've just missed a couple of spots that are hard to get up, but I will be continuing to try putting Easy Off on those to get them off, or use another way of getting it off. But here is the door on. The door is very clean. I'm happy with it. It's easy to take off and snap back on. All you do is raise the little levers up on the side, or like a brace on each one, and it makes it easy for you to pull the door out, up and out, so you can get down off in the oven as I did, because there's no way for you to be able to get that deep off in there with the door attached. But I think overall the oven is nice and clean, and I'm really pleased with it. Now I have added the racks inside. The racks have been cleaned as well. I use Easy Off Oven and a little hard on arm work. And the oven overall is clean and ready to cook dinner in. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. If you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And never stop exploring. Continue to the last screen. There's always something new on that last screen. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.